Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. In today's video we'll be working here guys on the Chevy Cruze, and we're going to explain guys, if you get a message on the dash that says that front door is open, let's say driver door or passenger door is open and your interior lights are on, but actually guys, what is happening, the door is closed, we will explain guys what causes that. Now in most cases guys, you close your door and everything's fine, right? But in some cases when things malfunction, the car may think that the door is open when it's actually closed, and that's super annoying because you have the message beeping, interior lights may stay on, and that can kill your battery guys. So stay with us guys, we'll explain what can cause that now in most cases. Quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, including guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze. Why we do all that? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you need guys any parts to fix your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them for a really good price guys, and fast shipping as well. Let's start on it and explain what causes that now and how to fix it. So what causes that now guys? As you can see, we have the door open all the way, and why we do that? Because we want to explain what is causing that. Now three things guys, three things that we need to check, and make sure you stay with us until the end. But guys, things that you need to check. 8 out of 10 times, 8 out of 10 times on Chevy Cruze, if you have a message that says door open but it's actually closed, it's because of that device guys. This is called your door lock actuator. So this device actually does quite a few things. It locks, unlocks your door, it opens, closes your door, and it detects if the door is open or closed. On older vehicles you used to have a manual switch that was somewhere here, and it will be pressed in when the door closes. But now on those new vehicles guys, that little bitty switch is actually integrated. It's known as a micro switch in that device, and when that mechanism turns and the door closes, it detects that actually it's closed, and it tells the computer, sends a signal that the circuit is closed and the door is closed. But that micro switch guys, sometimes they do malfunction. It's a very little device and they do wear out, they do break as well guys, not just on Chevy, on any vehicles. We've replaced so many door lock actuators, and when that device goes bad, what happens guys? Actually what will happen, it will send the wrong signal. It may be stuck in open position and it will just say door is open when it's actually closed. Now the only way to fix that guys in most cases is to replace the door lock actuator. Now we'll have the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can purchase one if you need it. But on some vehicles they're rebuildable, on this one it's not. On some of them you could replace the switch, which is not very complicated, take it apart, but this one is quite complicated. We did take it apart and there is not even parts available to replace that switch. Now this is reason number one. Reason number two guys, it could be a loose wiring harness. Loose wiring harness, or a wire that got in the it wasn't installed correctly, and the window when it goes up and down cut the wire and broke a wire, or pull the wires out. What will happen guys, if the window breaks a wire, you may get the same thing, because it will not be detecting that it's working correctly. And number three guys, sometimes from opening and closing the door you may pinch a wire there, especially if they're not installed correctly, if they've been removed, so you need to check that one there as well. So as you can see guys, that's everything. That's what is causing your car to display that the door is open when it's actually closed on Chevy Cruze. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.